Welcome to the Painted Hills, a breathtaking natural wonder tucked away in the heart of Oregon. Join us on an adventure as we explore the captivating beauty of this unique geological masterpiece. As you wander through this otherworldly landscape, you'll be surrounded by layers of volcanic ash, clay, and minerals that have been sculpted by millions of years of geological processes. Watch in awe as the sunlight dances across the hills, casting a warm golden glow that transforms the scenery with each passing moment. Whether you're an avid photographer capturing the perfect shot or simply seeking solace in nature's embrace, the Painted Hills offer an unforgettable experience for all who visit. So come immerse yourself in the beauty of the Painted Hills, where every moment is a brushstroke on nature's canvas, waiting to be discovered. Enjoy this video and let the breathtaking beauty of this natural masterpiece captivate your senses and inspire your soul.